Do you still have this model on your service call? Okay, here's a technique on how you can remove the drum unit and the drum itself. Let's remove this toner waste tank first. Techniques start here. Push this way slightly. Hear that? That's another technique there. Technique again, poke this tiny lock with your finger or some flat precisions. This holds our charging unit if you don't pay attention to it. Of course, broken heart is next. Unnoticeable metal plate that holds the drum unit. You may think first, it's only one screw, but it's not. The clip. Remove it with any precisions. DL, meaning don't lie, just kidding. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.